Ndumiriri-ini yake thutha wa thiku igana rimwe kuhinga kuma riria kwonekire murwaru wa mbere wa COVID-19 guku bururi-ini, minista wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe augite ritikoretwo riri ihinda rihuthu kuona wa mbere murimu uyu wahobaniirie bururi utehariirio na hanini, na wa keri no hindi aninite ciumia igiri wabici ari ta minista wa ugima wa mwiri akiuga onake COVID-19 wari murimu mugeni kuri we.
And when I walked out of the State House following my confirmation as Cabinet Secretary of Health, like a majority of us, I admittedly knew very little or nothing about coronavirus. How quickly that changes.
Hindi iyo Mutahi arauga ona gwa kuiga arwaru keheri-ini gutiahariirio, macini cia guthima murimu uyu gutiari, ona kana arigitani mathomithitio gutungatira arwaru a COVID-19.
To begin with, they threw a spanner at the perception that COVID-19 was a disease of the elderly. Also illuminated the fact that as a country, one that had only 8 infectious disease beds, we were ill-prepared to deal with epidemic such as COVID-19.
No muthi Mutahi akauga nditi iria yahuthikire ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri rugitungania meciria na honge ingi na gutua matua maria mangiteithiriria kuhitana na murimu uyu niyo ikinyithitie bururi hari uri ihinda-ini riri.
Were it not for our healthcare workers, the leadership at the Ministry of Health, the National Emergency Response Committee on Coronavirus, the Command Center, and the interministerial teams who put in and continue to put in endless hours to ensure the safety of all Kenyans, our situation would have been dire.
Ona gukiri oguo mutugo wa gicunje kimwe kia andu aria marathie na mbere na gutukana hatari guthingata watho wa kuraihaniriria ona kana gwikira mask nicio ko Mutahi akumithitie akiuga gutire utari ugwati-ini wa kunyitwo ni virus ino ona ari wa gikiro kiriku muingi-ini.
This virus does not have a political party. This virus does not have a good side or a bad side. This virus does not know that side or the other side. This virus will kill you. Because as I've stated before, I can get it. You can get it. Get it?
Ihinda-ini riri ona gutuika kuri ona maundu maingi mabatie gukinyanirio, uhoti wa gwika ithimi ni uthiite iguru, kaunti nacio cikahariria itanda cia kuiga arwaru keheri-ini, muigana wa aria mahonete ukambatira, nao arigitani na atungati a arwaru magakinyirio indo iria cirabatarania cia kwigitira makiruta wira wao. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Getwo Karo Kenyugo Mwaura.